All right, so today we're going to be installing our rear window latch and rear door opener, both from the inside to help with camping. On those solo trips, I like to sleep inside here sometimes. So let's get this panel. All right, there's going to be a little cover here on this side and one on this side. Pop it off, pry it off with a finger or use a screwdriver. But inside there is going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. So once you get your bolts out, basically there's clips behind here. So you want to go through, kind of give it a little pull, you'll hear them pop. And then once you've grabbed all of them, once you have them all popped, then just kind of give it a pull. Just like that, we have access. So the kit that I got to open the rear window just came like this off of Amazon. I'll include the link in the video, but there's no instructions. It's somewhat straightforward once you get the panel off. I'm in the process of figuring it out, but hopefully maybe this will help somebody. So you're going to take your Y harness, and this black plug actually goes into here. Boop, boop. So that gets unplugged and plugged into this plug, and that's going to Y you off with your switch. That's going to run up here, and we're going to drill a hole in the panel so that way we got a little push button. Then you're going to take, for the door, you're going to take this little Z bendy dude, and with the threaded side, see if you can see that, threaded side, and you got your little knobby piece that also has threads. That's going to go inside there, essentially is what it's going to do. And then thread around. So now you got your button. Hey. So in the box, it does come with this little template here to help you drill your holes, to space them out right so they're not on top of each other. It also includes these little bits to make your holes. And then this is what it's going to look like. The two U-bolts that they give you. I use zip ties to hold it in place, then put the U-bolts on, and got some 4 millimeter nylon nuts just because I was nervous that the other regular nuts might vibrate and come loose. So I just thought that this might make for a little bit more security. And then this is what it's going to look like once you get everything all in there and secure. So now we're just going to put the panel on, run our wire up through here, thread on the knob, and plug in. And then this is what it's going to look like. You got your button for opening your door, push and hold, and your window unlocks. Bada boom, bada bing. Now we can put these bolts back in. Call it good. And then in the box, it does include this little tab here with the string and some two-sided tape. It's intended to be stuck onto your window, so that way when you get it open, you have something to grab, pull it shut.